Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at the Windows 10 April 2018 update numbers. So AdDuplex has mentioned today that we are almost 90% of all Windows 10 computers running the April 2018 update. So this is a milestone that's very important for Microsoft because, rumors have it that the October 2018 update will start rolling out next week, October 2nd on Tuesday, which means that the fact that 90% of all of the Windows 10 users are already on April 2018 update will make the task of Microsoft a little easier. One of the biggest problems there was with the updates in this 2 updates a year Windows as a service was the fact that at some point there were too many versions of Windows, like upgrading. So some people were stuck at the previous version, some were stuck at 2 versions before and still updating. It was kind of complicated, and Microsoft really needed to do something about this to actually make sure that the updates aren't too complicated to manage at Microsoft's level. So I think they've succeeded because this is the second update. We had the update of Fall Careers update last year that actually was a pretty fast updater and reached 93% of all PCs at some point, which was very nice. An April 2018 update rolled even faster. There were a lot more people in a very short time lapse that actually were on the April 2018 update already. So they're actually pushing this to really update as fast as possible so that the majority of users move on to the new version and have really the smallest amount of users stuck on previous versions. At 90%, I would, when we reach 90%, I would think that pretty much everybody that needs to update will have been updated. The 10% left is, like business and or people that either couldn't or for the most part just didn't want to have this update yet. So pretty much everybody that's a consumer is probably already on the April 2018 update right now, with of course a few exceptions to the rule. So that means also that a lot of you will probably see the October 2018 update appear next week. And if we go back in the April 2018 update, the number of users that actually are on this channel that comment telling me that they were surprised to see it appear on the day number 1, I think that's going to also be the case in the October 2018 update. So interesting numbers, and interesting to see how the update process is going fast. The only thing we hope, because there were a few glitches in the April 2018 update, a lot of people complaining, let's just hope the October 2018 update is going to roll out better. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.